Solve the equation 3y squared equals 26y minus 2 using the quadratic formula. Of course, we all know that the quadratic formula, in the state that we usually see it in our textbooks or other places, is written this way: a times x squared plus bx plus c equals 0. Well, if we have an equation of this form and a is not equal to 0, then our solutions are x equals negative b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2a. So this is our classic quadratic formula. The thing that some people don't realize is this x doesn't have to be an x. We can put anything we want there. In particular, let's go ahead and put a y there. I'll just replace all my x's with y's. Y, including this x down here with a y. So we have a times y squared plus b times y plus c equals 0. Our solutions are y equals all this stuff. So quadratic formula works no matter what we call our variable, x, y, or whatever. So let's go ahead and get this equation into this form. So let's go ahead and lump all my y's and my constant terms onto the same side of the equal sign as that 3y squared. So I'll subtract 26y from both sides. I'll add 2. Why did it say that? I'll add 2 to both sides, and now I have this. So I can look at my equation, and I can find my a, and I can find, I'm trying to change colors on these circles and it's not changing colors for me. I can find my b, and I can find, still not changing colors, my c. So there's my a, b, and c, so we can write down our solutions. Y equals the negative of b, negative of 26, negative of negative 26, plus or minus square root b, negative 26, squared, minus 4 times a, which is 3, times c, which is 2, all over 2 times a, and a again is 3. So here's what we get. We could clean this up a little bit. If you wanted to, negative of negative 26 is positive 26, plus or minus square root. Negative 26 squared is the same as positive 26 squared, but I'm not going to multiply that out. 4 times 3 is 12, times another 2 is 24, so this is 24, all over 2 times 3 is 6. So here's a good way that we can write our answer. The thing to notice, the thing that I'd like you to notice off this, is that 26 squared is a large number. 24 is not that big, so I take this large positive number, subtract 24. The result here is some positive value. So we get 26 plus or minus square root of some positive number, all divided by 6. So we get 2 real number answers for solutions.